Hello guys, welcome to New Society. I'm Ronald Prince and I'm joined by Manoj.
Hi guys.
This is the part 2 of our reaction. If you haven't checked out part 1, do check it out. I'll link it on top. So let's continue.
Oh shit, so he
Oh.
just dropped without...
So she's ready to get married.
She now has to, man. Like, dude, it's such
Yeah.
a...
Oh. They put it on him.
I love that shot. So he's wondering who hit the police and he's wondering who stole the...
Yeah.
But
Both of them together, huh? For the first time.
dude, I don't want him to be the villain. I want them both to team up. Oh.
Oh.
He'll connect the dots. Oh.
Oh. Oh.
രാവിലെ ബട്ടൺ ഷൂട്ട് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞ അപ്പം വീട്ടിൽ വന്ന വെറുതെയാന്ന് എനിക്ക് തോന്നുന്നില്ല.
Oh.
Dude, the kid is pretty smart.
Yeah.
The kid is the guy in the chair now. Oh, dude.
Oh.
Nice.
He's wearing the mask.
One mask. Yeah, I need to wear my mask now.
Oh.
Dude.
Oh.
Nice. 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 Yeah, I'm telling you, this is going to be like they'll release merch now of the lungi, putting the lungi Kylie on the face.
Oh.
Do you think they'll develop a relationship between these two?
Let's see.
I kind of like them as friends more. Oh, the parallel love stories going on again.
Yeah.
Oh, this is for the lunch.
Yes. Oh. Oh, he didn't fall off. Did you notice?
Ah.
He didn't fall off.
Arey yaar, I'm so hungry, man. Dude. Oh, did he steal the money from here to pay for the daughter's surgery? Dude, he stole it. He stole
Oh.
it, yeah.
മിന്നൽ മുരളി ആക്രമണത്തെക്കുറിച്ചുള്ള എന്റെ ഊഹാപോഹങ്ങളാണ് അടുത്ത ആക്രമണം നടത്താനുള്ള കാശിന് വേണ്ടിയായിരിക്കാം അയാൾ ബാങ്ക് കൊള്ള
He's so wrong.
പറയുന്നുണ്ടായിരുന്നു സർ ഇറാഖിനടുത്തും ഒരു സ്ഥലമാണ് മാലാല.
അപ്പൊ ഈ തീവ്രവാദി വന്നത് ഇറാഖിൽ നിന്നാണോ? You are brilliant. I am proud of you.
He's a very flawed hero. But a very real hero also, I guess. Oh, he'll give
Oh,
this
he'll
money.
give the money.
Stolen money and then they'll think that he stole the money. Jason
Yeah.
stole it. So in many ways, he's like the hero.
Like there's no lines, right? It's all blurred.
It's not like, yeah.
നിന്റെ സ്വാർത്ഥതയല്ല, നിന്റെ അപ്പൻ അങ്ങനായിരുന്നു.
With great power.
Yeah, I was going to
Comes
say
great
that. It's like great
responsibility.
power comes great responsibility. But I like the way it's done in this. It's very organic.
Oh, that was like a scary reveal, dude.
അതോ വട്ടളയിച്ചത്ത് നിന്റെ തള്ളയുടെ പാരമ്പര്യം
He'll kill him. He'll kill him and it will be on Jason.
Dude.
Oh, ho, ho.
Dude.
അതാണ് എന്റെ യോഗ്യത.
Oh, he's going to burn the shop down, I think.
The crow. He's gonna sit here. Oh, ho, ho.
Oh, this was from the trailer, the second trailer, remember?
Yeah.
Oh, he's going to act. Yeah.
Oh man, what a performance, dude. Oh.
And people are going to say that, he suicided maybe because of Jason's threats.
No, I think Jason said, right, I'll kill you if you don't return my money by the end of the day.
But he won't burn his own shop, right? Like,
That's true.
people might just think that he did suicide.
Oh.
Oh, he knows. He knows.
Oh, 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 oh.
Oh, he has put Minnal Murali, this name. Oh,
Dude.
shit,
A
this is
psychotic
psycho.
villain, man.
I was going to say the same thing. Another police are also going to connect the dots.
Oh, dude. Oh.
Yeah, that sound, that effect.
Oh, he's running away.
I just realized something now. The second trailer was actually the villain trailer in many ways.
Yeah. Dude. Oh, the shots.
It's like taking a complete horror turn now, man. Dude, he amazing acting, man. Like seriously, he's up there for me.
ഈ മുഖം മൂടിയിട്ട് വരുന്ന മിന്നൽ മുരളി ഞാനാണെന്ന്
Oh.
Nice.
Even the table.
സ്കൂൾ ആനിവേഴ്സറിക്ക് അടിച്ചത്.
That's
അതാണ് ഞാനുണ്ട് മാമ.
So you got a team now.
Team Flash. As long as they don't say we are Minal Murali, we are good.
മിന്നൽ മുരളി തന്നെ ആകണമെന്നില്ല. മുരളി
Okay. Oh, I like this.
Oh, he cut the.
Yeah. Oh,
Oh, dude.
he's here.
Jason is.
Oh.
So Jason cleared his name now.
Yeah. Oh.
Nice. Oh, nice.
Oh.
Nice.
First showdown, huh?
Nice. Nice shot. Dude.
Oh.
Not bad. Effects are not bad. Dude, it's having the cars gives a nice indication of their speed also. Hey, that's a basis. That's basis.
Yes, that's it. Oh.
Dude.
Oh. Where did he come from?
Yeah, that's maybe through the window, I guess. Dude, these effects are done really well. Where the practical effects they use.
Oh. Oh, injured his leg. Okay.
Oh, it's gonna be Spider-Man 2 kind of scene.
Oh shit. He's gonna save her, but how? Oh, he's lifting it up from behind. Yeah.
Oh, now people are gonna ask, who are you? Then he'll be like, Minal Murali.
So basically, his first this right heroic thing he did.
Yeah. That's true.
Oh.
Nice. It looks better than Prabhas jumping off the thing in Saho. I'm telling you.
Definitely, they have budget constraints. It's all right.
But they're still doing their best with, and there's meaning to the story. So it all makes sense.
Savior.
Oh, Rakshagan. That's written in the bus. Yeah, Rakshagan. Oh, nice.
Nice, that epic shot.
Okay, now someone should ask, who are you?
Minal Murali.
Oh, he's writing it there. Okay,
Yeah.
nice. Oh, that's more badass than them asking.
Original.
Original, nice. Oh, nice. Going off into the sunset.
Going to his, right path. Oh, he'll use his father's remaining clothes and all.
I think the idea for making a suit comes from that, I think.
And he is a tailor, right?
So it makes sense.
Makes sense.
Nice. That's the Malayalam term. Minal Murali 1, Minal Murali 2. Nice.
Nice.
Becoming a symbol of hope.
Yeah.
The other guy was an outcast. Both of these are outcasts, but
Yeah.
Toino found a family. He never found a family.
Yeah. Oh, he killed him.
Oh, even he.
Oh.
So
Oh,
it's
Jason. Someone from his.
who-
Yeah. Oh. Both are getting to each other. They both found out.
Oh,
Okay.
That's cool, man. I love how these stories are going in parallel.
Oh. Okay. Something is brewing up.
You can feel it, right?
Yeah.
It's building to something.
He's gonna use the nail.
Oh, comic book. Aspect ratio changed. Oh,
Yeah.
nice. Oh. Okay, he wanted to know. That's his
Oh.
confirmation, basically.
Oh, dude. The tension.
ദാസേട്ടനെ കൊന്നാണോ ഞാൻ മറക്കേണ്ടത്?
Oh.
ഉഷ എന്തെങ്കിലും ഇത് അറിഞ്ഞാലോ?
Oh.
Nice.
Directly going for it.
കുറുക്കൻ മുളങ്ങുണ്ട്.
Oh, dude.
Oh.
Dude, it's like very practical in many ways. Like,
It's kind of resolved, right? Oh. Now they don't know who they are after.
yeah.
Oh, we were assuming they're coming for him. Okay.
Yeah. Dude, I love the storytelling, man. It's so good.
Oh man, and he let him go. It's not. Oh, he's
now
gonna stop
like
all of it,
He's like an actual outcast now. Like,
dude.
dude, look at that
Otto.
attention to detail. His leg is still injured.
Yeah.
Dude, that's amazing. Oh, dude.
Oh. He basically has to come and save him. It's not like defeating him.
Or save the village from him.
Oh, she came. Oh no,
That's-
dude.
That's kind of heartbreaking.
She came. Oh man.
It's like he can't catch a break.
Oh dude, this will be heartbreaking.
28 വർഷം.
Oh dude.
Oh man.
Oh dude. That's like fantasy of so many people. One-sided love coming true. But he did cross the line, right?
Yeah, many
He
times.
killed two people now.
Yeah.
Oh, dude. Give him a break. Oh man.
Oh, this is beautiful, man. It's amazing. Like the script and the entire village also objectified her the entire time. You know, like
Yeah.
it's like both of them are outcasts of the same village.
What is he gonna do?
Oh,
Ho ho ho.
dude.
Ho 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 ho.
Dude, it's shot amazingly. It's directed amazingly. It's just. Oh, dude.
Oh dude.
Oh, he'll just turn it back.
He's,
Oh, no.
oh, he's gonna burn the house.
Oh, this is the shot we saw in the trailer. Oh, dude.
Man, I love the emotions are driving
Dude,
the
I'm
scene.
getting goosebumps, man. Like, it's like I'm watching something so beautiful where it's like the direction, the music, everything is just coming together so well.
Oh, they're firecrackers. They're firecrackers
Oh,
inside.
dude, no. Oh, it's same like how it was before.
Oh
No.
Oh shit.
The kid.
Oh no,
my
dude.
God.
Dude.
So then he turns a rampage on the village.
I thought it would like they'll try to save them, it'll burn slowly, but oh my god.
Or I thought, Minal Murali might come in the last one and save them. or
Yeah.
something, But
Oh my god.
oh, he's going to wreck the whole town.
What a shot, man. I feel like he overshadowed Mrinal Murali, like the Tovino's
Little bit,
character.
yeah. But I think his spotlight is going to come now. Like they build the antagonist.
Oh.
Oh, that's going to be his. Oh man.
It even got a smile now.
So he's going to strike in the happiness of the villagers. Oh, dude.
Oh.
It's almost hauntingly beautiful. Like,
Dude. He's sitting like a Satan there, right?
oh, dude.
Oh my god, dude. Whoa. It's gone crazy, man. What? Who was that?
That's the same guy, right?
Ah, okay. You shouldn't have come here.
This is giving me almost like Batman Begins vibes, where the whole city is in destruction. What did she find? Oh,
Is that firecrackers?
that's what I understood. Oh,
Oh, dude.
അപ്പ ആരാണ് ഈ
oh, dude.
അവനെത്തും.
Oh man, I got goosebumps.
Yeah, same. I got goosebumps.
ഈ നാടിന്റെ രക്ഷകൻ.
Oh,
Oh man. Dude, he's playing his like two characters, but both are so distinct.
you don't feel it's the same guy playing both the characters. Oh, dude.
Oh, ho, ho, ho.
Dude.
Dude, the way they put the cartwheel behind him.
Oh, dude. Oh. I'm already getting goosebumps. Oh.
Oh, there you
Nice.
place it.
Oh. Nice. Dude, in theaters, this would have killed, man.
Hey.
Oh, superhero landing. Oh,
Oh.
dude.
Oh, nice.
Dude. Oh, dude.
Oh.
Nice. Dude. It's really creative, huh?
Oh man. Oh. Oh, dude.
Dude. Oh, shit.
Oh shit. Oh man, this is crazy.
I never thought this would have so much depth.
Oh
Oh,
shit, dude.
oh.
Oh.
ചുറ്റുമുള്ളവരെ എനിക്ക് രക്ഷിക്കാൻ പറ്റിയില്ലെങ്കിലോ?
Oh, dude.
നിന്റെ ജയം ആഗ്രഹിക്കുന്ന കുറെ മനസ്സുകൾ ആ സമയം നിന്റെ ചുറ്റിലുണ്ടാകും.
Oh, nice, nice.
I was wondering what will he do.
I called it. Like in the start of the movie that he might get the power down.
Yes.
Dude,
Oh, dude.
that's amazing.
The money shot.
Nice.
Oh,
nice.
dude, amazing. She also is doing her bit. Not over yet.
Oh, dude, nice. Oh, dude.
Oh.
Dude, the VFX is pretty good. Like,
Oh, nice. Oh, man. Okay. That was an amazing showdown, man.
it was so creative. Like, we've watched so many superhero battles, but this was so different. Like,
And he's unmasked, huh?
everyone knows who he is. Like, I don't really see this as a franchise. Like, I like this is like one close film. I think it will be great. Oh, nice.
Oh, man. Nice. Oh, he got his passport.
You can go. You can join the Avengers.
Yeah, he's
End
not
of the
going.
movie, Doctor Strange comes in a portal.
Oh, this is his tower to look down on this village.
എല്ലാം ഇവിടെ അവസാനിച്ചു എന്ന് ഞാൻ കരുതുന്നില്ല.
Franchise is coming.
അവരുടെ സ്വന്തം മിന്നൽ മുരളി.
Nice, nice. Post-credit scene, do you think?
No, wait. Netflix just
Netflix
minimized
doesn't
it.
want to. Nah, I don't think so.
Let me just see if there's any. Doesn't seem like it. No, I don't think that is.
Nah. All right.
So I don't like calling a film perfect or anything like that because you know the more you watch it, the more there'll be flaws and everything like that. But I think this is the most I've enjoyed a movie this year, like in terms of enjoyment. And I say that after watching No Way Home last week. I was just so much into the story and the plot that I think I don't want to say this is the best movie of the year, but probably one of my favorite movies of the year. It ended 2021 in a bang for me.
Yeah, man. Like I think knowing that the kind of budget they had and to pull this off in such a, and I think that's what the actor said, right? That even if you take the superhero genre out of it, it's still a good story,
True,
and that's
true.
that's how
the
we
way
made
you
it.
do Yeah, that's
And
the way
I
you
think
do
that really works out. I definitely feel a tidbit long. I think they could have. I think in a theater it works.
Yeah.
That longevity works in a theater. Maybe it's just on OTT. That's why I feel like it's not really going ahead.
To be honest, I feel like I was also starving, so that probably played a role in that. Like,
Because you get an interval, you can have food, you have that collective experience of enjoying it. I think then it helps the longer version, but it's not that you cut it down and maybe the story is still important kind of a thing, but it's like okay, just tidbit long. It's not like a big criticism. Oh my god, just boring. It's not boring at all, but it's just a longer way. It takes a long time to go.
Yeah, it took its own sweet time to.
I think that's what people call. There's a term called Malayalam chill. When people think like, oh, the film should have 3x structure and there'll be purpose and motivation and rising tension. Many movies which I love also don't have that. There's no rising tension. It's just people chilling and that's the story going ahead. So I don't mind that at all.
It's almost like for the punch to have that impact, you need to like really go back. It's like that for me. Like, so you really need to get that movie developed in a way so that the punch really hits. That's the way how I look at it. So, oh man, that I'm still processing it. Dude, the last fight.
This needs multiple, and I'll be watching my family as well as Manoj.
Same.
Definitely.
That's why we watch it now. We were like, we need to show it to our parents, so we'll just watch it now and then we can show it to them freely.
Yeah. And this was our, I think, official reaction, honest reaction. And if you did enjoy, guys, do like, subscribe, let us know in the comments your thoughts. And hopefully this comes out early. It doesn't take too long to edit this one. But yeah, guys, that's it. Thank you for watching, and we'll be definitely doing a live session, maybe. Spoiler
definitely.
discussion.
Once we rewatch it, we'll get our thoughts all in place. You guys can also get your thoughts in place. Let us know what you guys think about this and everything. So
So that was it, guys. Thank you for watching, and keep kicking out.